Oi lads, it's Danny here today, bringing you lot a lovely video on how to prove cosA, cosB, the trig identity. So before we jump into it, I want you lot to leave a like and subscribe and let's get right into it. So there are two trig identities you lot are going to need to use, this one and this one right over here. So this is the equation once you have substituted these two identities. We're substituting these two identities into this equation, and then when we rewrite it, we'll get this. At this point, we could do our necessary cancellations. As you lot could see, sine of A, sine of B, and then you got subtraction of sine of A, sine of B. So this is going to cancel out basically. And what you're going to be left with is cos of A, cos of B plus cos of A, cos of B. You lot are going to add these two terms because they're the same term, and you lot are going to have two cos of A, cos of B. The 2's in the numerator and in the denominator respectively cancel. And you lot are going to notice is that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, and therefore that implies that cos of A, cos of B is equal to this. So if you enjoyed this video and as this video has helped you lot, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you lot later.